ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः चतुर्थः पादः
अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः चतुर्थः पादः
कारके ध्रुवमपाये भाधानम्
ध्रुवमपाये अपादानम्
भीत्रार्थानां भयहेतुः
भीत्रार्थानां भयहेतुः
पराजेरसोढः
पराजेरसोढः
वारणार्थानामीप्सितः
वारणार्थानामीप्सितः
अन्तर्धो येनादर्शनमिच्छति
अन्तर्धो येनादर्शनमिच्छति
आख्यातोपयोगे
आख्यातोपयोगे
जनिकर्तुः प्रकृतिः
जनिकर्तुः प्रकृतिः
भुवः प्रभवः
भुवः प्रभवः
कर्मणा यमविप्रैतिसम्प्रदानम्
कर्मणायमविप्रैतिसम्प्रदानम्
रुच्यर्थानां प्रीयमाणः
रुच्यर्थानां प्रीयमाणः
श्लाघन्नुस्ताशपाङीप्स्यमानः
श्लाघ्नस्ताशपामीप्स्यमानः
धारेरुत्तमर्णः
धारेरुत्तमर्णः
स्पृहेदीप्सितः
स्पृहेरीप्सितः
क्रुधद्रुहेष्यासूयार्थानां यं प्रतिकोपः
क्रुधद्रुहेर्ष्यासूयार्थानां यं प्रतिकोपः
क्रुधद्रुहरुपसृष्टयो कर्म
क्रुधद्रुहोरुपसृष्टयोः कर्म
रादीक्ष्योर्यस्य विप्रश्नः
रादीक्ष्योर्यस्य विप्रश्नः
प्रत्याङ्ग्यां शुवः पूर्वस्य कर्ता
प्रत्याङ्ग्यां शुभपूर्वस्य कर्ता
अनुप्रतिगृणश्च
अनुप्रतिगृणश्च
साधकतमं करणम्
साधकतमं करणम्
दिवःकर्म च
दिवः कर्म च
परिक्रयणे सम्प्रदानमन्यतरस्याम्
परिक्रयणे सम्प्रदानमन्यतरस्याम्
आधारोऽधिकरणम्
आधारोऽधिकरणम्
अधिशींस्तासां कर्म
अधिशींस्तासां कर्म
अभिनिविशश्च
अभिनिविशश्च
उपान्वद्भ्यां वसः
उपान्वद्भ्यां
कर्तुरीप्सिततमं कर्म
कर्तुरीप्सिततमं कर्म
तथा युक्तं चानीप्सितम्
तथा युक्तं चानीप्सितम्
अकथितं च
अकथितं च
अकर्मकधातुभिर्योगे देशकालो भावो गन्तव्यो अध्वा च कर्म इति वाच्यम्
अकर्मकधातुभिर्योगे देशकालो भावो गन्तव्योऽध्वा च कर्म इति वाच्यम्
गतिबुद्धिप्रत्यवसानार्थशब्दकर्मा कर्मकाणामणिकर्तासनौ
गतिबुद्धिप्रत्यवसानार्थशब्दकर्मा कर्मकाणाम् अणिकर्तासनौ
हृक्रोरण्यतरस्याम्
हृक्रोरण्यतरस्याम्
अभिवादिदृशोरात्मने वेति वाच्यम्
अभिवादिदृशोरात्मने वेति वाच्यम्
स्वतन्त्रः कर्ता
स्वतन्त्रकर्ता
तत्प्रयोजको हेतुश्च
तत्प्रयोजको हेतुश्च
अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः तृतीयः पादः
अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः तृतीयः पादः
अनभिहिते
अनभिहिते
कर्मणि द्वितीया
कर्मणि द्वितीया
उपसर्वतसो कार्यादिगुपर्यादिषु त्रिषु द्वितीया म्रेणितान्तेषु ततोऽन्यत्रापि दृश्यते
सर्वतसो कार्यादिपर्यादिषु द्वितीयां व्रेणितान्तेषु ततोऽन्यत्रापि दृश्यते
अभितः परितः समयानिकषः प्रतियोगेषु
अभितः परितः समयानिकषः प्रतियोगेषु
तृतीया च होश्छन्दसि
तृतीया च होश्छन्दसि
अन्तरान्तरेण युक्ते
अन्तरान्तरेण युक्ते
कालाध्वनोरत्यन्तसंयोगे
कालाध्वनोरत्यन्तसंयोगे
अपवर्गे तृतीया
अपवर्गे तृतीया
सप्तमी पञ्चम्योकारकमध्ये
सप्तमी पञ्चम्योकारकमध्ये
कर्म प्रवचनीययुक्ते द्वितीया
कर्म प्रवचनीययुक्ते द्वितीया
यस्मादधिकं यस्य च ईश्वरवचनं तत्र सप्तमी
यस्मादधिकं यस्य चैश्वरवचनं तत्र सप्तमी
पञ्चम्यपां परिभिः
पञ्चम्यपारिभिः
प्रतिनिधिप्रतिधाने च यस्मात्
प्रतिनिधिप्रतिदाने च यस्मात्
गत्यर्थकर्मणि द्वितीया चतुर्थ्यो चेष्टायामनध्वनि
गत्यर्थकर्मणि द्वितीया चतुर्थ्यो चेष्टायामनध्वनि
चतुर्थी सम्प्रदाने
चतुर्थी सम्प्रदाने
तादर्थे चतुर्थी वाच्या हितयोगे च
तादर्थे चतुर्थी वाच्या हितयोगे च
क्रियार्थोपपदस्य च कर्मणि स्थानिनः
क्रियार्थोपपदस्य च कर्मणि स्थानिनः
तुमर्था च भाववचनात्
तुमर्थाच्च भाववचनात्
नमस्वस्ते स्वाहा स्वधालं वषड्योगा च
नमस्वस्ति स्वाहा स्वधानं वषड्योगा च
मन्यकर्मण्यनादरे विभाषा प्राणिषु
मन्यकर्मण्यनादरे विभाषा प्राणिषु
कर्तृकरणयोस्तृतीया
कर्तृकरणयोस्तृतीया
प्रकृत्यादिभ्य उपसङ्ख्यानम्
प्रकृत्यादिभ्य उपसंख्यानम्
सह युक्ते प्रधाने
सहयुक्ते प्रधाने
येनाङ्गविकारः
येनाङ्गविकारः
इत्थम्भूतलक्षणे
इत्थम्भूतलक्षणे
संयोन्यतरस्यां कर्मणि
अन्योन्यतरस्यां कर्मणि
हेतौ
हेतौ
अकर्तरिणे पंचमी
अकर्तृणे
अकर्तृणे
पञ्चमी
पञ्चमी
विभाषा गुणे स्त्रियाम्
विभाषागुणे
विभाषागुणे
स्त्रियां
षष्ठी हेतुप्रयोगे
षष्ठी
षष्ठी
हेतुप्रयोगे
हेतुप्रयोगे
सर्वनाम्नस्तृतीया च
सर्वनाम्नस्तृतीया च
सर्वनाम्नस्तृतीया च
निमित्तपर्याय प्रतियोगे सर्वासां प्रायदर्शनम्
निमित्तपर्याय
निमित्तपर्याय
प्रयोगे
प्रयोगे
सर्वासां
सर्वासां
प्रायदर्शनम्
प्रायदर्शनम्
अपादाने पञ्चमी
अपादाने
अपादाने
पञ्चमी
अन्यारादितरर्थे दिक्शब्दाञ्चोत्तरपदाजाहि युक्ते
अन्यारादितरत्रे
अन्यारादितरन्ते
दिक्शब्दाञ्चोत्तरपदाजायुक्ते
दिक्शब्दाञ्चोत्तरपदाजायुक्ते
षष्ट्यतसर्तप्रत्ययेन
षष्ट्यतसप्रत्ययेन
षष्ट्यतसप्रत्ययेन
येन पा द्वितीया
येन
येन
पा
पा
द्वितीया
द्वितीया
पृथक् विना नानाविस्तृतयान्यतरस्याम्
तक्विना
पृथग्विना
नानाविस्तृतीयान्यतरस्याम्
नानाविस्तृतयान्यतरस्याम्
करणे च स्तोकाल्पकृच्छ्रकतिपयस्या सत्त्ववचनस्य
कर्णे
करणे च
च
स्तोकाल्पकृच्छ्रकतिपयस्या
स्तोकाल्पकृच्छ्रकतिपयस्या
सत्त्ववचनस्य
दूरान्तिकार्तैः षष्टिन्यतरस्याम्
दुरान्तिकार्तैः
दूरान्तिकार्तैः
षष्ट्यन्यतरस्याम्
षष्टिन्यतरस्याम्
दूरान्तिकार्थेभ्यो द्वितीया च
दूरान्तिकार्थेभ्यो
दुरान्तिकार्थेभ्यो
द्वितीया
द्वितीया
च
च
सप्तम्यधिकरणे च
सप्तम्यधिकरणे
सप्तम्यधिकरणे
च
च
यस्य च भावेन भावलक्षणम्
यस्य च
यस्य च
भावेन
भावेन
भावलक्षणम्
भावलक्षणम्
षष्ठी चानादरे
षष्टिश्चानादरे
षष्टिश्चानादरे
स्वामीश्वरादिपतिधायादसाक्षिप्रतिभूप्रसूतैश्च
स्वामीश्वरादिपतिरदायाद
स्वामीश्वरादिपतिप्रसूतैश्च
साक्षिप्रतिभूप्रसूतैश्च
आयुक्तकुशलाभ्याम् चासेवायाम्
आयुक्तकुशलाभ्यां
आयुक्तकुशलाभ्याम्
चासेवायाम्
चासेवायाम्
इतश्च निर्धारणम्
यतश्च
यतश्चिद्धारणम्
निर्धारणम्
पञ्चमी विभक्ते
पञ्चमी
पञ्चमी
विभक्ते
विभक्ते
साधुनिपुणाभ्यामर्चायाम् सप्तम्यप्रथेः
साधुनिपुणाभ्यामर्चायाम्
साधुनिपुणाभ्यामर्चायां
सप्तम्यप्रतेः
सप्तम्यप्रतेः
प्रसितोत्सुकाभ्याम् तृतीया च
प्रसितोत्सुकाभ्याम्
प्रसितोत्सुकाभ्यां
तृतीया च
तृतीया च
नक्षत्रे च लुपि
नक्षत्रे
नक्षत्रे
च
च
लुपि
लुपि
प्रातिपदिकार्थलिङ्गपरिमाणवचनमात्रे प्रथमा
प्रातिपदिकार्थलिङ्गपरिमाणवचनमात्रे
प्रातिपदिकार्थलिङ्गपरिमाणवचनमात्रे
प्रथमा
प्रथमा
सम्बोधने च
सम्बोधने च
सम्बोधने च
सामन्त्रितम्
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 एकवचनम् सम्बुद्धिः
एकवचनं
एकवचनं
सम्बुद्धिः
सम्बुद्धिः
षष्ठी शेषे
षष्ठी
षष्टिशेषे
शेषे
ञो विदर्थस्य करणे
ज्ञो
ज्ञो
विदर्थस्य
विदर्थस्य
करणे
करणे
अधिगर्तदयेषाम् कर्मणि
अधिगर्ततयेषां
अधिगर्ततेषां
कर्मणि
कर्मणि
ऋञः प्रतियत्ने
क्रियः
ज्ञः
प्रतियत्ने
प्रतियत्ने
द्वयार्थानाम् भाववचनानामज्वरे
सुजार्थानां
रुजार्थानां
भाववचनानामज्वरे
भाववचनानामज्वरेः
आशिषिनाथः
आशिषिनाथः
शिशिनाथः
जासिन्यप्रकरणनाटक्रातपिशाम् हिंसायाम्
जासि निप्रहरणनाटकरात्कपिशाहिंसायां
जासिनिप्रहरणनाटकरातपिशाहिंसायाम्
व्यवहृपणोः समर्थयोः
व्यवहृपणोः
व्यवहृपणोः
समर्थयोः
समर्थयोः
दिवस्तदर्थस्य
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 विभाषोपसर्गे
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 द्वितीया ब्राह्मणे
द्वितीया
द्वितीया
ब्राह्मणे
ब्राह्मणे
प्रेष्य भ्रुवोर्हविषो देवता सम्प्रधाने
प्रेष्य भ्रुवोर्हविषो
प्रेष्यभ्रुवोर्हविषो
देवता
देवता
सम्प्रदाने
सम्प्रदाने
चतुर्थ्यर्थे बहुलम् छन्दसि
चतुर्थ्यन्ते
चतुर्थ्यर्थे
बहुलं
बहुलं
छन्दसि
छन्दसि
यजेश्च करणे
यजेश्च
यजेश्च
करणे
करणे
कृत्वोऽर्थप्रयोगे कालेऽधिकरणे
कृत्वोत्प्रयोगे काले
कृत्वोत्तप्रयोगे
करणे
कालेऽधिकरणे
कर्तृकर्मणो कृति
कर्मणो कृते
कृति
उभयप्राप्तौ कर्मणि
भयप्राप्तौ
उभयप्राप्तौ
कर्मणि
कर्मणि
तस्य च वर्तमाने
तस्य च
तस्य च वर्तमाने
अधिकरणवाचिनश्च
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 न लोकाव्ययनिष्ठा कलर्तदृणाम्
न
न लोकाव्ययनष्टा
लोकाव्यक्लत्तदृणाम्
फलतदृणाम्
कमेर्निषेधः
कमेरनिषेधः
कमेरनिषेधः
अकेनोर्भविष्यदाधमर्णयोः
अकेनोर्भविष्यदात्मर्णयोः
अकेनोर्भविष्यदाधर्मयोः
कृत्यानां कर्तरि वा
कृत्यानां कर्तरि
कृत्यानां
वा
कर्तरि वा
तुल्यातैरतल्लोपमाभ्यां तृतीयान्यतरस्याम्
तुल्यात्यैरतुलोपमाभ्यां
तुल्यात्यैरतुलोपमाभ्यां
तृतीयान्यतरस्याम्
तृतीयान्यतरस्याम्
चतुर्थी चाशिष्यायुष्यमद्रभद्रकुशलसुखारप्तहितैः
चतुर्थी
चतुर्थी
च शिष्यायुष्यमद्रभद्रकुशलसुखार्तहितैः
चाशिष्यायुष्यमद्रभद्रकुशलसुखार्तहितैः
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे द्वितीयाध्यायस्य तृतीयः पादः
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे
पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे द्वितीयाध्यायस्य
द्वितीयाध्यायस्य
तृतीयः
तृतीयः
पादः
पादः
यजन्तधातूनां कर्मणि प्रयोगः पूर्वं कर्तरि प्रयोगः दृष्ट्वा अनन्तरं कर्मणि प्रयोगः केषां धातूनां प्रयोगे निजन्तप्रयोगे अनिकर्तॄणां किं कारकं भवति यथा गत्यर्थक बुद्ध्य ज्ञानार्थक प्रत्यवसानार्थक तथा अकर्मकानां शब्दकर्म अकर्मकानां धातूनां प्रयोगे निजन्तप्रयोगे प्रयोज्यकर्तॄणां किं कारकं
कर्मकारकम्
कर्मकारकं केन सूत्रेण गत्यर्थ गति बुद्धि प्रत्यवसानार्थ
शब्दकर्म
शब्दकर्म कर्मकानाम् अनिकर्ता सनौ अस्य सूत्रस्य विवरणं विस्तारेण वयं पश्यामः दृष्टवन्तः पूर्वं शब्दकर्म धातवः इति तत्र आरभ्य पठनीयं पूर्वं प्रत्यवसानार्थक धातु पर्यन्तं दृष्टवन्तः अद्य शब्दकर्म शब्दकर्मक धातवः धातूनां प्रयोगे निज निजन्तप्रयोगे प्रयोजकर्तॄणां कर्मकारकं कथं भवति इति finish. I think last class up to that Rameshwari ji did read. Now you read.
शब्दकर्मकधातवः
We are
शब्दः
doing what prayoga kartari va karmani va.
कर्मणि of निजन्तधातु
But the sutra, yes, but now you are reading kartari. Karmani yet to come. Not it. Karmakarakam, then karma will be in kartari prayoge pratama vibhakti ke bhavati. Right? Two karmas will be there. One is
प्रधानकर्म
karma, pradhana karma, gauna karma. Gauna karma इत्युक्ते कर्तुः ईप्सितं कर्म इति सूत्रेण यत् कर्म भवति तस्य तत् गौण कर्म प्रयोज्य कर्तुः प्रधान कर्म त्वमस्ति तत् अनिकर्ता टेकिंग द्वितीय कर्म संज्ञा that is pradhana karma, right? So we are doing kartari prayoga. So in kartari prayoga for nijanta dhatus nijanta sakarmaka dhatunam kati karma bhavati dve karmani bhavati, right? प्रधान कर्म तथा गौण कर्म गौण कर्म तो कर्म कर्तुः ईप्सिततमं कर्म इति सूत्रेण यत् कर्म भवति तत् कर्म गतिबुद्धि प्रत्यवसानार्थ शब्दकर्म कर्मकाणाम् अनिकर्तासनौ प्रयोज्यकर्तुः प्रधानकर्मत्वम् अस्ति तदपि कर्तरिप्रयोगे द्वितीया विभक्तिः भवति. So we are seeing कर्तरिप्रयोगः कर्मणि yet to come, the long document. Now we are 9th page only. Yeah, please read.
शब्दकर्मक धातवः शब्दः कर्म कारकम् येषाम्
बहुव्रीहि
अर्थात्
समास. बहुव्रीहि समास. शब्दः कर्मकः कर्मकारकम्. शब्दः कर्म येषां धातूनां सह शब्दकर्मक धातुः कप् प्रत्यय बहुव्रीहि समासे कप् प्रत्ययः भवति. ओके, काम्पौण्ड् विग्रहवाक्य इस् शब्दः कर्मकारकं येषां धातूनां सह धातुः अथवा ते धातवः शब्दकर्मक धातवः. यस्.
अर्थात् यस्य धातोः कर्म कारकं शब्दः अस्ति सः शब्दकर्मकः एतादृशस्य अर्थस्य स्वीकारे एतादृशस्य अर्थस्य स्वीकारे क्रन्दयति वादयति ह्वाययति शब्दाययति जल्पयति इत्यादीनां ग्रहणं न भवति यतोहि एते धातवः शब्दक्रियकाः भवन्ति. शब्दक्रियकः नाम शब्दं करोति इत्यर्थः.
शब्दक्रियकः नाम शब्दं करोति इत्यर्थः. ओके.
शब्दकर्मकः इत्युक्त्वात् शब्दक्रियाकस्य ग्रहणं नास्ति.
शब्दक्रियकस्य ग्रहणं नास्ति. शब्दकर्मकः इत्युक्तत्वात् शब्दक्रियकस्य ग्रहणं नास्ति. What is not शब्दकर्म that he says? यस्य धातोः for which धातु कर्मकारकं शब्दः अस्ति. शब्द which is enjoys कर्म संज्ञा for which धातु that is शब्दकर्मकः धातुः. Now, what is शब्दकर्म is not, he says. It doesn't mean the krandayati, vadayati, vayayati, all these are making sound. So that is not here the meaning of the Shabda Karma. The Shabda Karma is for which the karma is the words. It is the literature, it is a kavya, it is a grantha, it is gadya, padya, ityadina, veda. These are the Shabda Karma. So Shabda Karmakaha ityuktvatva Shabda Kriyakasya Grahanam nasti. Should not take the action of making sound. That is not the meaning. That is, which is not that he says, but which is what is that we know. Right? So Shabda Karma meaning that for which the Shabda is the karma. The Shabda meaning the words. Natu making sound. Shabdam karoti, that it's not the meaning. The words. The words means not just a word, it is collection of words.
Conveying a meaning.
The words is a collection of words. That is Gadya, Padya, literature. That is the Shabda Karma. That is the meaning. So what is not that, he says. What is that we know. Right? Okay. Now the examples. For examples, he will explain. Please read.
Guruhu Shishyam Vedam Pathayati. Pat dhatuhu Shabda Karmakah asti. Anyanthavasthayam Vakyam asti. Shishyah Vedam patati. Sorry. Shishyah Vedam patati. Harihi.
Yeah.
Harihi Chhatram Vedam Adhyaya अध्यायत् अदि उपसर्गपूर्वक इङ् अध्ययने इति धातुः शब्दकर्मकः। अन्यन्तावस्थायां वाक्यमस्ति छात्रः वेदम् अध्येत
अध्येत
अध्येत इति लिङ् प्रथमपुरुष एकवचने रूपम्। पतिः
शब्दकर्म, शब्दः कर्म येषान्ते शब्दकर्मणः तेषां शब्दकर्मकानां बहुव्रीहि अविद्यमानः. Okay, that is not required. So in the commentary to Siddhanta Kaumudi in Bala Manorama, Shabda Karma is that Samasa is defined, but Samasa it is said. Then just looking at that, Shabda Karma, it is any definition. Maybe in some other place we have seen Shabda Karma. It's not, Kashika has not explained. I mean, has not given any definition like that. Just a minute. Shabda Karma, the definition for that. Nobody has explained about what is Shabda Karma. It's given only the examples. But Shabda Karma that we have seen before, what it is.
Literary work is something that you have mentioned.
Yeah. So that is Shabda Karma. I think in my notes was there about that, what it is. Yes. Just a minute. It's not here. I think in the notes it must be there. Just looking for the definition. One minute. No. So it is to check my notes where it is. Anyway, the definition was there. Where it is to find out. In the notes, I was given on the meaning of that in Sanskrit. What is Shabda Karma? Okay, if I find, I'll let you know. Okay. So Shabda Karma is Gadya, Padya, etc. I think this about this in the context of it Prakaranam also we saw Shabda Karma. There the sutra was Gati Buddhi Pratyavasanartha. The it Prakaranam of Samskrita Bharati book. There also I think it was mentioned about that. I'm not able to find now. Let me check and tell you later. So we'll continue to read. So Guruhu Shishyam Vedam Patayati. Atra Patayati Paddatoho Nijantarupam Patayati. So Guruhu Vedam Patayati. Shishyam Vedam Patayati. So Shishya is Anikarta. Shishya is one who reads. So that is Anikarta, Prayojakartuhu. Since the karma fall of the Nijanta Dhatu is Veda, which is the Shabda Rashi, Shabda Samuha, Shabda, that is the Shabda. Therefore, it is by the Sutra, Gati Buddhi Pratyasanartha by that Sutra. That Nijanta Dhatu which has Shabda as its karma, then the Prayojakarta will take Karma Sanya. Therefore, Shishya takes Karma Sanya. Therefore, Karma Sanya Bhavati. So, Shishya, can it be Sampradana? Yes or no? Can it be Sampradana?
No.
Karma, it's only karma.
Why?
Shishyaya Vedam Pathayati.
Guru Shishyaya Vedam Patayati. Why not? Possible, right?
You said.
But thing is, Karmana Yamabhipraiti Sasampradanam and Gati Buddhi Pratyasanartha, that sutra, which is Parasutra. Parasutra is Gati Buddhi Pratyasanartha. So therefore, that will overrule because it is in Akadarat Eka Sanya section. Therefore, Sampradana Sanya is negated by this Karma Sanya. Sampradana Sanya is negated by Karma Sanya. Otherwise, it was against Sampradana Karaka. But it cannot have two Karaka. It is not, it cannot have two Karaka. It is not the Akatitam Cha. By that sutra, it is only for Dvikarmaka Dhatu. Dvikarmaka Dhatu, where, this, when it cannot be, when it depends on the Vivaksha of the speaker. Avivakshitam Abhivakshitasya Karakasya Karmasanyakatvam. So there only it is Vikarmaka Dhatu will have the other Karaka. Karma mean other Karaka when when the speaker doesn't want to express another Karaka, then it will take Karma Karaka. So there is no option here, no Vikalpa, because Sampradana is in the sutra is before. Karamanaya Mavipriti Sampradana. And this sutra comes later. Paratvat, this, therefore, it will be Karma Karaka, Natu Sampradana. Sampradana is ruled out. Okay. Sanyavastayam Vakyam Vishishyaha Vedam Patati, and Shishya will be by the sutra Karma Karaka, therefore Dvitiya Vibhaktihi. Similarly, Adihi Chatram Vedam Adhyapayat, for which the karma is Veda. Again, Shabda it is, Shabda Rashi. Shabda is the karma. Same, Upasarga Purvaka in Adhyayana. Prayena in Upasargaha Bhavati in Dhatu. Adhyayana iti Dhatuhu Shabda Karmakaha. अन्यन्तवस्थायां वाक्यं शब्दः छात्रः वेदम् अध्ययत. अध्ययत इस् अधिपूर्वक लङ् रूपम् इङ् धातोः. अट्टगमाकं आ प्लस ई आटश्च वृद्धि आत्मनेपदी धातु. Therefore ऐत अध्ययत. अध्ययत इति लङ्गि प्रथमपुरुषैकवचनरूपम्. Okay. Next example, please read.
पतिः पत्नीं गीतं श्रावयति. श्रु धातुः शब्दकर्मकः अस्ति. अन्यथावस्थायां वाक्यमस्ति पत्नी गीतं शृणोति.
Here also it is shru dhatu, for which the karma is geetam. Shabda karma it is. So therefore it is shabda karma ka dhatu. Shabda karma ka dhatu naam prayojya kartuhu karmatvam asti. Okay. Therefore karma sanya. Patni.
Shamyatamji. We have to take dhatu only then Shabda Karmaka, which is, I thought it is Vedam or Patam is Shabdas are there like that. So here he is telling Shru Dhatu is Shabda Karmaka means then Geetam will not be the part of this one, Shabda Karmaka here.
Geetam will not be?
See, like I thought Vedam and Patham are Shabda Karmakas like that. But here it is telling that Shru Dhatu is Shabda Karmakaha. So Geetam is...
No. Shabda Karmakaha is Bahuvigi Samasa. So referring to the Dhatu only. Dhatus which have Shabda as its karma is Shabda Karmaka Dhatu, right?
Yeah. Okay.
So previous example, in this example, all the example. Dhatu is Shabda Karmaka Dhatu, for which the karma is, previous
Veda
example it is Vedam, Vedam, and here it is Geetam. So Geetam is the karma for the Shabda Karmaka Dhatu, Shravi Dhatu.
Okay.
Shru Dhatu iti Shabda Karmakaha Dhatu asti. Correct only. Shabda Dhatu karma Geetam.
Okay. So it is related to Geetam. We should take Geetam.
Samasa, right?
Yes.
Dhatu which has Shabda as its karma is Shabda Karmaka Dhatu. So, therefore, it is Shabda Karmaka means not the karma. It is referring to the Dhatu which has, which has Shabda as its karma.
Okay. So Dhatu is having Geetam, the Gita is in Karma Sanya.
Gita, which is the karma for the Nijanta form of the Shru Dhatu.
Okay.
So Shabda Karma ka Dhatu nam yet karma. Shabda Karma ka Dhatu nam yet karma Shabda Bhavati. That is why Shabda Karma ka Bhaguri Samasa.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
So Dhatu which have Shabda as its karma is called Shabda Karma ka Dhatu. Therefore, karma will be there as karma. Shabda will be as a karma.
Okay.
Shabda meaning the words, collection of words. That's why it is loosely translated as literature work. So Veda or lessons or Gita. Gita is also a song consists of words. So Gadya, Padya, all these things are Shabda Karma ka Dhatus.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Next one. We can read Bharatiji. Akarmaka Dhatavaha.
Yes. Akarmaka Dhatavaha. Gati buddhi pratyavasanartha shabda karma karmakanam anikarta sanau iti sutre akarmaka dhatavaha nama yesham deshakaladi bhinnam karma na sambhavati te akarmakaha natu avivakshita karmanopi. Example, Kaushalya Ramam Shayayati. Shin Dhatuhu Akarmakaha Asti. अन्यन्तावस्थायां वाक्यमस्ति रामः शेते। रमेशः उमां पातयति। पत् धातुः अकर्मकः अस्ति। अन्यन्तावस्थायां वाक्यमस्ति उमा पतति। माता वृद्धम् उपवेशयति. Down, it is down there, sir. We have to make it.
Yeah, up to that you can read. Upaveshet. Then we will see. Yeah.
Yeah. माता वृद्धम् उपवेशयति. विश् धातुः अकर्मकः अस्ति. अन्यन्तावस्थायां वाक्यमस्ति वृद्धः उपविशति.
So akarmaka dhatu is this sutra. Iti sutra akarmaka dhatu nama desha kaladi bhinnam karma na sambhavati. Te akarmaka dhatu natu avivakshita karmanaha api. That point is important. Natu avivakshita karmanaha meaning that sakarmaka dhatu, can be akarmaka, that is not really, not literally we should take. Karma vivakshayam, it is as though akarmaka, but it is not akarmaka, it is sakarmaka only. Those dhatus should not be considered. Because Ramaha kadati, for example, it is kartuhu vivaksha. Ramaha, what does he eat? Kadu dhatu, sakarmaka dhatu can take karma, but karma not mentioned. Doesn't mean it is akarmaka. No. Avivakshita karmanaha na avivakshita karmanaha na svikaraniyaha. Okay.
Yes.
Therefore, karmaka dhatu desha kaladi bhinnam. Akarmaka dhatu nama desha kaladi bhinnam karma na sambhavati. That is desha kala is, that is by the sutra, the previous one. The example also is of Kurun Swapiti, like that, Kala Dhvanayoho Atyanta Sanyoge, whatever, Yesham Dhatunam, Yesham Akarmaka Dhatunam, Kala Divinam Karma na Sambhavati Te Akarmakaha. So accepting those dhatus, even karmaka dhatus, no, you have to take only akarmaka dhatus. Karmaka dhatu, taking karma sanya, that is by the sutra, which is in 2-3, like Kala Dhvanaho Atyanta Sanyoge and other sutras which are there, right? Or Abhinivishascha, that is Abhinivi Purvaka, that is Vishdhatu, Akarmaka dhatu. Adishing stasam karma, Adi Purvaka.
Yes.
Dhatu, stasam karma, right? Esham desha kala dibhinam karma na sambhavati. Accepting desha kala, etc. For other dhatus which do not enjoy karma, those dhatus only you have to consider. Okay.
Yes.
So that is what he says here. And te akarmakaha. So you have to take only the akarmaka dhatu means your akarmaka dhatus. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. This is about this Shabda Karma I just found, which is in Samskrita Bharati Paran, just given one statement. Shabda Karmakaha Namakaha Shlokaha Gadyam Mantra iti evam adayaha Shabdatmakaha. Shlokadishu Shabdas Samuha Nanu Bhavati. Shlokada yadi dhatoho karma bhavanti tarhi saha dhatoho Shabda Karmakaha iti uchyate. Okay, you can note this is Shlokaha Gadyaha Mantraha Padyam Mantraha Itevavadaya Shabdatmakaha. Ya Shabda Karmaka Dhatu. At least we should know where to find some explanation. This is there here. Somewhere it Prakaranam long once upon a time we saw. I forgot where it is. Anyway, Samskrita Bharati I saw. Now seeing the example, Kaushalya Ramam Shayeti, Dhatu Shing Dhatu, Akarmaka Dhatu. So Akarmaka dhatu, therefore it cannot have gauna karma, akarmakatvat, sanyatayam, prayojakartuhu, karma sanya bhavati, therefore Ramam. Similarly, patu dhatu, it is akarmaka only. Similarly, upavish dhatu, it's also akarmaka. So therefore, anikarta taking karma sanya. Devadattaha yadatam masam asayati. This example you can read, yeah.
Just देवदत्तः यज्ञदत्तं मासम् आसयति देवदत्तः यज्ञदत्तं मासं स्वापयति देवदत्तः यज्ञदत्तं क्रोशम् आसयति देवदत्तः यज्ञदत्तं क्रोशं स्वापयति देवदत्तः यज्ञदत्तं क्रोशं शाययति.
All these is some more example. What
Yes.
is meaning? Devadattaha yajnadattam masam asayati dhatu is
As dhatu.
as dhatu. So what will be the anyanta vakya? Yajnadattaha
यज्ञदत्तः मासम् आसते
mastam aste.
आस्ते.
Aste, asate, asate. Rupam. So masam is in Dvitiya Vibhakti by Kala Dvanoho Atyanta Sanyoge. Right? Apavarge it will be Tritiya, suppose.
Okay.
So Kala Dvanoho. And there is another one, Vartikam also is there, no? Deshakala Adva Karma Dhatu Bihi. That's Sutra. That's what Vartika. Just now we read.
Yes.
That is Deshakalo Gantavya, which is in 2-3.
Advagantavyaha karma.
Yes, that is also Dvartikam is there 1-4 section. Akatitam cha akarmaka dhatu biryoge deshaha kalaha bhavaha gantavyaha adva cha path. Adva is path. Desha kala karma iti vachyam. So this is what is said in the case of the akarmaka dhatu. Desha kala di brinnaha karma na sambhavati, that karma. Excepting this, for the dhatus which cannot take karma, those dhatus are akarmaka dhatu. Right? So that is therefore yajnadattaha masam aste. So masam is Dvitiya Vibhakti by which sutra? In the Anyanta Prayoga. Similarly, yajnadattaha masam swapiti. Similarly, yajnadattaha krosham swapiti. Yajnadattam krosham swapiti. Here also yajnadattaha krosham shete. This is by which sutra it is? Dvitiya. Kala Dvanoho Atyantya Kala and Advan Atyanta Sanyoge. Then what is the sutra, complete sutra? Kala Dvanoho Atyanta Sanyoge Karmani Dvitiya, right? Which is in which section?
2, 3.
3.
Kala Dvanoho Atyanta Sanyoge. Example?
Masam
Adite. Masam Kalyani.
Okay, what is the number?
20. 2, 3, 5.
20. No, the table
PDF.
20.
PDF.
Table it is 20, right?
Yeah.
So the word standings for Kala Advan, which will take second case when there is unbroken continuity. So Masam Madite studies, okay, Kala Advano Atyanta Sanyoge. The word standing for Kala Advan will take second case when there is Atyanta Sanyoge. Here, is it mentioned the dhatu should be a akarmaka dhatu? Talk example, Masam Madite. He studies. It's not akarmaka dhatu. What we are talking about is Akarmaka dhatu. Therefore, it is not kala dono atyanta sanyoge. Therefore, it is the previous sutra. Deshakala advagantavya sakarmaka dhatu biryoge deshakala bhavaka gantavya hadvacha karma iti vachya. Intransitive verbs. Akarmaka dhatu. Denoting place. Kala. Sorry, desha. Or duration. That is
Kala.
time or kala. Whichever. During which a kriya happens. That is Kurun Swapiti. Kurun means the place. Godoham aste. Right? So therefore, similarly, there, Yajnadattaha, Krosham aste, or Yajnadattaha, whatever is there. You know, Krosham is the word was in the example, right? Masam aste. That is by this Vartika. Kala Dvanahatyanta Sanyoge is, okay, Adipurvaka Shing Dhatu, Sakarmaka or Akarmaka?
Sakarmaka.
Sakarmaka Dhatu. So we are not talking about Sakarmaka Dhatu, right? So there only this says Kala Dvanahatyanta Sanyoge. Then this Vartika says Akarmaka Dhatu Vishaya. Therefore here karma, Masam enjoys karma sanya. Don't confuse with the example. Because Masam is a, therefore you may get confused with the example. Masam Adite, here Masam Swapiti. Therefore this is by the Vartika. Vartika 2, the Sutra 1451, I think. So therefore, understand?
Yes.
So therefore Akarmaka Dhatu, Nijanta Dhatu now form. This is Akarmaka Dhatu and this is Karma Sanya by the Sutra 13, Vartika 2, 1351. And this is Anikarta taking Karma Sanya by our Sutra, which is Gati Buddhi Pratyavasanartha. Right? Can note, this is Yajnadattaha Masam Aste. Asdatu Akarmaka Dhatu. Therefore, Akarmaka Dhatu bir yoge Deshaha Kalaha. This is Kala. And Krosha is Desha. So that will take Karma Sanya, Karma Vaiti Vachyaha, right?
Yes.
Okay. Next one, Ramaji can read.
Okay.
Avashishta
Avashishta
Dhatuha meaning? Other Dhatus.
Remaining.
Other than the Dhatus which are mentioned in the Sutra, Gati Buddhi Pratyavasanartha. Okay.
Saha Devadattena Vodanam Pachayati. Pachidhatu. Asmin Vakye Devadattaha Yaha Karta Asti Anyantavasthayam. Oh. Asmin Vakye Devadattaha Yaha Karta Asti Anyantavasthayam Saha Karma Sangyam Na Prapnoti Nyantavasthayam.
Yeah, that's otherwise if you read Anyantavasthayam Saha Karma Sanyam Prapnoti, the meaning will change. The Kama is important. Where to stop, where to. We don't have punctuation in Sanskritam, but we should know where to connect. Or better to put Anyantavasthayam before. Okay. Please read.
Saha karma sankyam na prapnoti nyantavasthayam yatohi pach dhatuhu gatyarthakaha api nasti buddhyarthakaha api nasti pratyavasanarthakaha api nasti shabdakarmakaha api nasti akarmakaha api nasti.
It is not any of the dhatu mentioned in the Sutra 1352, right?
Yes.
Okay. Anyantavasthayam Devadattaha Karta Asti Saha Karma Sangyam Na Prapnoti Antavasthayam. Why? Because it is not any of the dhatus mentioned in the Sutra.
1452.
13? Also
452.
1452, yeah. 1452, yes.
देवदत्तः यः प्रयोज्यकर्ता अस्ति सः अनुक्तः इति कृत्वा सः तृतीया विभक्तिं प्राप्नोति कर्तृकरणयोस्तृतीया 2, 3, 18 इति सूत्रेण.
The meaning is?
Devadatta is the prayojyakarta and it is anuktaha.
Meaning? Anuktaha iti krutva.
Yeah, anabhihitattvata.
Yeah, anuktaha, anabhitaha, same meaning.
Tritiya vibhakti.
Considering that Devadatta, that is Prayojakarta, to be Anabhigita, Anuktaha, then Tritiya Vibhakti Prapnoti means when Devadatta will be Anabhigita.
When that is karmani prayog.
Devadattaha Prayojakarta, but he is not Anabhigita. It is not Karmani Prayoga also. It is not Karmani Prayoga. Because Devadatta is not Prayojaka Karta. It is Prayojakarta only, Anabhigita. Therefore, Tritiya Vibhakti. Kartari Prayoga only, not Karmani Prayoga. So that you should not confuse, because that's why Devadattaha Yaha Prayojakarta, not Prayojaka.
Okay.
And that even though he is Karta, but he is Anabhigita. Prayojakarta. Anabhigita Prayojakartuhu Ka Vibhaktihi Bhavati Kartari Prayoge Tritiya only.
Okay.
Because he is Anabhigita only. Prayoga is Kartari. Okay. Yeah. Otherwise, what Vibhakti will order into Prayojakarta? Prayojakarta will take Dvitiya Vibhakti by the Sutra 1352 for those dhatus, Nijanta dhatus. Right? Prayojakarta. But this is not any of the dhatus. Therefore, we cannot apply a Sutra 13, that 1452 we cannot apply. If that we cannot apply, then which Karaka Prayojakarta will take? Is it Abhigita in the sentence? In the Kartari Prayoga?
No.
Saha Devadattam Odanam Devadattena Odanam Pachagati. Here Devadatta is not Abhigita, Anabhigita Karta. Anabhigitatvat Karta Karanayos Tritiya. Right? That's what he says. Please read.
अर्थात् देवदत्तः इति प्रयोज्यकर्ता तिङ् प्रत्ययेन अनुक्तः इति कृत्वा अनुक्ते देवदत्तः तृतीयां प्राप्नोति कर्तृकरणयोस्तृतीया इति सूत्रेण.
Yeah. So for any dhatus other than the dhatus mentioned in 1352, that Prayojakarta will be Anabhigita, Anukta, and that will take Tritiya by Kartakaranyos Tritiya. That's the important thing. Odana and all we know. Odana is Karma Karaka. Kartuhu is Sitsam Karma. Saha is Prayojaka Karta. That is Pratama Vibhakti by Pratipadika Talinga Parimana Vachara Matre Pratama. And right, Nikarta. Which is Abhigita. Abhigita Tvat Pratama. It is Anabhigita. Karta, Tritiya. Okay. It's not Karmani Prayoga. Karmani Prayoga yet to come. We are not yet seeing. Yes. Please see. Please read.
माता पित्रा पुत्राय धनं दापयति. पिता पुत्राय धनं ददाति इति वाक्यम् अन्यन्तावस्थायाम्.
Dhatu is Da Dhatu.
Da.
Akaranda Dhatu and Pukkakama comes when Nich follows, right? We know. Da will become Dap, Dapi, Dape, Dape, Dapayati. So Anyanta Vakya will be Pita. Okay, here. Okay, Anyanta Vakya, let us read. Pita Putrai Dhanam Dadati. Dhanam is Karma Sanya. Kartuhu Yushitam Karma. Putraya
Sampradhanaya.
Karmana Yamaviprati Sasampradana. Pita is
Prayojaka Karta.
Prayojya Karta.
Prayojak. Oh, Mama. Pitra. Pita. Yeah.
The Pita become Pitra
is Prayojaka.
And there is the Nijanta Dhatu Nam Prayoge. Then Prayojya Kartuhu Anabhigitatvam Asti Prayoja Kartuhu Anabhigitatva Tritiya. Kartakaranyos Tritiya. Mata is Prayojaka Karta. Therefore Pratama.
Yeah.
Similarly, next sentence.
Pita putrena kandukam krapayati. Yeah.
Dhatu is
krapayati.
Dhatu is Kri Dhatu.
Yeah.
So Kri plus Nich. Kri will become Krai. Kri will become Krai. And because Vriddhi will happen, right? Nich follows. Nich. Therefore, kri will become cry. Now it is the agent, the dhatu. Therefore, cry will become kra. Now akara on the dhatu. Now which follows. Therefore, pukkahava. That's how it becomes. Cry. Krapayati. It's caused by kri. Right?
Okay.
So here putra is priyojaka karta. Anabhigita karta. Priyojya karta will be anabhigita for the other dhatus, other than the dhatus mentioned in the sutra. Priyojya karta will be anabhigita for the dhatus other than the dhatus, for the dhatus other than what mentioned in sutra. Therefore, it will be tritiya by kartuhu, kartar karna tritiya. Otherwise, if it is any one of the dhatu, then it will enjoy karma sanya and karmani dvitiya bhakti. Right? Now, Kameshwar, you can read. Suchana. Suchana is, please note. There's a note.
सूचनां न्यन्तावस्थायां यः प्रयोजककर्ता तस्य कर्मसंज्ञा न भवति गति बुद्धि प्रत्यवसानार्थ शब्दकर्मा अकर्मकानाम् अनिकर्ता स नौ 1452 इति सूत्रेण यतः हि सः अन्यन्त अवस्थायां कर्ता नासीत्.
What's the meaning?
Nyantavastha, which is prayojaka karta, that won't become karma sanya. Gati buddhi pratyavasana iti sutrena yata hi saha anyantavasthayam karta nasid. Which is in Anyanta Avasthayam, that won't become Karta. I don't understand this.
Anyone?
Prayojaka karta was not the karta in the Nyanta Prayoga. So it will not take the karma sanya in Nyanta Avastha by Gati Buddhi.
Nyantavastayam yaha priyojaka karta. Priyojaka karta asti tasya. To rearrange the sentence if you want, you can understand. Nyantavastayam yaha priyojaka karta asti tasya karma sanya na bhavati 1352 the sutrena yataha. Why? Because yataha is vismat karanat saha, because Anyantavastayam karta nasti. In the case of Anyantavastaya, it's not a karta. Example, you read, you'll understand. Please read the example, you'll understand what does it mean.
Yadi vayam vadamaha ramaha devadattena yajnadattam gamayati.
This example you see. What is the dhatu? Gam dhatu.
Gam dhatu and
Yajnadattaha gacchati. Right? Who causes Yajnadatta to go?
Ramaha.
Not Ramaha. No. Devadatta. Devadatta. So Devadattaha Yajnadattam gamayati. So gamayati nich dhatu, nijanta dhatu, for which the priyojaka karta is Devadatta. Priyojaka karta is Devadatta, priyojya karta is Yajnadatta. Right? Gati buddhi pratyavasanata by that sutra, Yajnadatta enjoys karma sanya, therefore dvitiya. Understand? Devadattaha Yajnadattam gamayati. That part alone you take. Now causative of this, what will happen now? Now we are adding one more karta. Ramaha Devadattena Yajnadattam gamayati. Now the Devadatta is what karta? Ramaha is priyojaka karta. Now Devadatta becomes priyojya karta. In Prayojya Karta, Anyantavastayam Yaha Karta. In the Anyantavastayam Yaha Karta, that only will take Nintavastayam Karma Sanya. But Devadattaha Yajnadattam Gamayati, it is not Anyantavastha, it is Nyantavastha only. So Devadatta, therefore it will not enjoy Karma Sanya. Anyantavastayam, it is not, it is Karta Nasid. Yataha isaha karta, it is causative, it is Anyantavastayam karta nasid. It is not Anikarta, it is, therefore Devadatta cannot enjoy Karma Sanya. So if the explanation is given, please read it, become more clear.
अस्मिन् वाक्ये प्रश्नः भवति किमर्थं देवदत्त इति शब्दस्य कर्मत्वं नास्ति इति.
That's the question. Devadatta, why it is not in Dvitiya Vibhakti? Should it not be Dvitiya Vibhakti? Ramaha Devadattam Yagadattam Gamayati. That's how we think. Why it is not, Devadatta is not in Dvitiya Vibhakti? Why doesn't it enjoy Karma Sanya? That's it says. Samadhanam, please read.
समाधानम् अस्ति यत् देवदत्तः अन्यन्तावस्थायां कर्ता नासीत् इति कृत्वा न्यन्तावस्थायां तस्य गतिबुद्धिप्रत्यवसानार्थ अकर्मकाणाम् अनिकर्ता सनो 1452 इति सूत्रेण कर्मसंज्ञा न विधीयते.
Samadhanam asti, yet Samadhanam is there. Yet means not iti. No, don't take yet is should be. Devadattaha is therefore yaha. No. Samadhanam asti yet. Samadhanam is Devadatta in the Anyantavastayam. It is Karta nasi, Anikarta na asit. Iti krutva Nyantavastayam tasya Karta sanavaidi sutra karma sanya na vidiyate. Yaha Anyavastayam Karta asti tasyeva karma sanya bhavati. That is what the sutra says. Anyantavastayam Yaha Karta Saha only will take
कर्म संज्ञा
Karma Sanya. In this case, Devadatta is not the Karta because Avastha itself is not Anyantavastha. Devadattaha Yajnadattam Gamayati is Gamayati what dhatu?
गम धातु
Nijanta dhatu.
निजन्त गमि.
It is Nyantavastha. Anyantavastha, who is Karta? Yajnadattaha is Yajnadattaha Gacchati. Yajnadatta is the Karta, not Devadatta. Because Devadatta is in the Anyantavastha, that is Gacchati, that is Anyantavastha. In that Avastha, Devadatta doesn't enjoy Kartra Sanya. Yajnadatta alone enjoys Kartra Sanya. Since Devadatta doesn't enjoy Kartra Sanya, Anyantavasthaya, therefore it will not enjoy Karma Sanya by this sutra. Understand? All of you. It makes sense, right?
Yes, Jay.
So this is what here it is just having mentioned and it elaborates. Nyantavasthayam yaha prayojaka karta tasya karma sanya na bhavati. Iti sutrena yataha hi anyantavasthayam karta nasti. Anyantavasthayam Devadatta is not karta. Therefore, Nyantavasthayam yaha prayojaka karta asti satyasya karma sanya na bhavati. Tasya is that Anyantavasthayam yaha karta nasi tasya karma sanya na bhavati. Nyantavasthayam. So therefore, Devadattaha Yajnadattam Gamayati, it is not Anyantavastha, it is Nyantavastha. Nyantavastha is Karta is Yajnadatta only, not Devadatta. Since Devadatta is not the Karta in the Anyantavastha, therefore Nyantavasthaya Devadatta cannot take Karma Sanya by this sutram. That's what he says here.
Yes.
Therefore, what Vibhakti Devadatta will take?
Tritiya.
Kartakaranyos Tritiya only. Right? Yajnadatta Dvitiya Vyakti by Sutra.
Gati Buddhi.
Gati Buddhi.
Gati Buddhi. And this is by the Sutra Kartakaranyos.
Kartakaranyos Tritiya.
And this is Prayojaka Karta, which is
Pratipadikar.
Linga Parimana, still Pratama. Okay.
Yes.
So here we have to note this. So because Dhatu is Gamayati. This is very important. So it is Gachati and Gamayati. This is Anyantavastha Gachati. Once you have Gamayati, it is Nyantavastha. And causative of this Gamayati also will be Gamayati only. See, here Gamayati is, who is a Karta? Who is a Karta?
Yajnadatta Gachati.
Gachati is, Nijanta of Gachati is?
Gamayati.
Nijanta of Gamayati is?
Gamayati only.
Gamayati only. How you get Gamayati? I think you know, right? How you get Gamayati? Gamayati. That is Dhatu is Gami, new Dhatu, right? Nijanta.
Gami plus.
Adding Nij, what will happen? Nehe Niti. The Ni will go away of Gam. Therefore you will have Gam plus E. Again you will get Gami only you will get. Right? Again you will get Gami only.
Yes.
And Gamayati, for which the Karta is C. Okay, I will write like this. Ramaha Gamayati. Just splitting the sentence. Ramaha caused to go. And Devadattaha also Gamayati. And Yajnadattaha is Gachati. So Yajnadattaha Gachati. Devadattaha Yajnadattam. This is 1352 comes now here, right? So this is Nyanta Avastha. So in Anyanta Avastha, so this is Nyanta Avastha. Now here what will happen to Gamayati? Karma is Datta Katu Yustam Karma. Now Dedatta, what Vibhakti? It is Nyanta Avastha, not Anyanta Avastha. Therefore, Nyanta Avasthayam Yaha Prayojaka Karta Asti Saha Anyanta Avasthayam Kartu Sanya Nasti. Therefore, it will not enjoy karma sanya. That is what Sutram says. Makes sense?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
This is Nikarta. It is not Anikarta. This is Anikarta. Right? Therefore, Devadattena, sorry.
Devadattena.
Okay, therefore this will be like this. This is what the Sutra says. I think I'll remove this. This is not required, right? Okay. Now, please read from here.
One question, Sharanji.
Yeah.
Gam dhatu is akarmaka dhatu, isn't it?
Gam dhatu is sakarmaka. How can be akarmaka?
Okay.
Gam dhatu is sakarmaka dhatu.
So then
Ramaha vanam gacchati. Right?
yes.
So, therefore it is Uttara Desha, Uttara Desha Prapti Anukula Vyaparaha Asti, and Palam is Uttara Desha Praptihi. So it has got Vyapara and Pala, and Palam is different from the Vyaparasya Ashreha Karta, Palasya Ashreha Karma. Therefore Vedikaranam Asti, Tayoho, therefore Sakarmakatvam Asti. Remember?
So your desha.
Dhatu has got two amsha, Vyapara and Palam. Vyapara has its ashraya in, all the Vyapara has its ashraya only in the Karta only, right? And Palasya ashraya Karmani. So here Karma is Uttara Desha Prapti, Uttara Desha, that is a Prapti. Right? We are going to the other Desha, whatever Desha, Anya Desha Prapti, that is a Palam. So the Palam and the Vyaparasya ashraya Karta and Palasya ashrayama Uttara Desha Prapti, therefore Vedikaranam Asti. Therefore Vedikaranam when it is there, then it is Sakarmaka. So Gam Dhatu is Sakarmaka Dhatu only.
Yes.
How can be akarmaka dhatu? So that cannot be akarmaka. Sakarmaka. But before learning sutra, in the beginning itself, we study that the place of reach, destination, should be considered as karma.
As karma. So even though there is no object.
Object means, see, that's our orientation. We think object means something. If I eat means something substantial is eating, therefore it is object, we think. But
yes. Destination can be an object.
Destination can also be an object. Why not? So suppose if we say vrajati or atati, so there it doesn't have any motive, any goal to reach any place. So Udyane atati, he roams he walks in the Udyana. What is the goal? Does he reach anywhere?
So
No.
it's akarmaka.
Akarmaka. So
Brahmati, atati, they're all akarmaka.
whereas Gamanakriya, he has the goal to reach other place. By walking, he finds himself reaching the other place. Therefore, that becomes the karma. Right? Whereas atati, natanam, where is the goal? Where does he go? Vrajati,
no destination.
Atati, no destination. So, therefore, it is akarmaka. Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah,
Dhanyavad.
please
Thank you.
read. Yeah. Rameshwarji. Yaha karta.
यः कर्ता केवलं ण्यन्तवस्थायां कर्ता अस्ति तस्य कर्मसंज्ञा न भवति द्वितीये ण्यन्तवाक्ये.
You can read the whole thing. What we read now, yaha karta kevalam ण्यन्तवस्थायां कर्ता अस्ति तस्य कर्मसंज्ञा न भवति ण्यन्तवाक्ये.
अतः एव सूत्रे अनि इति शब्दस्य ग्रहणम् अस्ति. So that's
Sutra anikarta is there. That's anikarta is very important. Anikarta sanau. Anikarta is a shabdasya. That karta, anikarta is priyojyakarta. Yaha karta nyantavastayam karta asti. Tasya karma sanya na bhavati dvitiya nyanta vakye. Second nyanta vakya. That is Devadattaha in the second Nyantavakya doesn't enjoy karma kartra sanya. Therefore, only in the sutra anikarta is mentioned. I'm just referring to the example. Devadatta is Dvitiya Nyantavakya, there Yaka karta asti, that will not enjoy karma sanya. Right? Karma sanya na bhavati Dvitiya Nyantavakya. Because it is not anikarta. Devadatta, in the example, Devadatta is not anikarta, therefore it will not enjoy karma sanya. Condition for karma is anikarta will take karma. Is Devadatta, anikarta, three kartas are there in the sutra. Okay. Sorry, this example. Three kartas are there. Ramaha one karta, Devadatta another karta, Yajnadatta another karta. Among the three kartas, which karta is anikarta? Among the three kartas, which is anikarta?
Rama is
Anikarta.
Devadatta and
Yajnadatta.
No, not and. Yajnadatta alone anikarta. Ani means not nyanta. Gachati only you have to remember. Not gamayati. Don't take relatively. I think you are taking relatively, that is why you say Devadatta and Yajnadatta. No. Not anikarta is what is ani? What does it mean of ani?
not
No ni. When no ni is there, it will be gachati only. How can be gamayati? Relatively gamayati, but that is we should not take. That's why ani, the word, importance of the word ani is dhatu as it is. No nijanta, no niche. Right? So therefore Yajnadatta is anikarta. That the sutra anikarta is mentioned very specifically because that anikarta alone will enjoy karma sanya. Not in the dvitiya nyantavakya. Devadatta is not anikarta. Cannot be anikarta. Devadattaha yajnadattam gamayati. Gamayati is causative. It is nijanta only. Niche is there, right?
Yes.
Therefore, how can be Devadatta be Devadatta can be Anikarta. It is not Anikarta. Devadatta is not Anikarta, Rama also not Anikarta. Only Yajnadatta. That is why he says, Ani iti shabdasya grahanam asti sutra important. Because that Anikarta alone will take karma sanya, Nyantavastaya. Ramaha is there, Nyantavastha, there, Devadatta is there, that will not enjoy karma sanya. Because in Anyantavastha, it is not Anikarta. Because there is no Anyantavastha, who is Anikarta, it is Yajnadatta, not Devadatta. Please read. That's what the example is explaining.
देवदत्तः यः प्रयोज्यकर्ता अस्ति रामः देवदत्तेन यज्ञदत्तं गमयति इति वाक्ये सः अनुक्तः अस्ति इति कृत्वा सः तृतीया विभक्तिं प्राप्नोति कर्तृकरणयोः तृतीया इति सूत्रेण न तु कर्मसंज्ञा गतिबुद्धिप्रत्यवसानार्थ शब्दकर्म अकर्मकानाम् अनिकर्ता स नौ इति सूत्रेण.
It's clear, right?
Yeah.
Devadatta is which karta?
Prayojakarta.
For with regard to Rama.
Ramaha.
And therefore it is not Abhigitaha in the with regard to Gamayati in Kartari Priyaha, therefore Anuktatva, Kartakaranyos, Tritiya only it will take, not Dvitiya, not Karma Sanya. It doesn't enjoy Karma Sanya, therefore not Dvitiya. So, yes, given. This is simple. Prathamavastha is, please read.
Yeah. Prathamavastha Yajnadattah gacchati. Dvitiyavastha Nyantavastha Devadattah Yajnadattam gamayati. Tritiyavastha Nyantavastha. Okay, Ramaha Devadattena Yajnadattam gamayati.
So, in these two, Anikarta is not there. Devadatta is not Anikarta. Anikarta is Yajnadatta only Anikarta. That will, because Anikarta, Yajnaha Devadatta, this is one alone is Anikarta. So Anikarta, therefore Dvitiya. Here Anikarta, therefore Dvitiya. Devadatta is Prayojakakarta in this context, but here it will not, even though it is Prayojya, but it is not Anikarta, not Ani. Because here it is not Anikarta, understand? So, that's why, the word Anikarta that is important. See, I can use the word Yajnadatta is in the sentence Karta. In the sentence is Anikarta taking Dvitiya. He is Prayojya Karta. Devadatta is Prayojaka Karta. Prayojaka Karta, but it is Nikarta only. Right? Remember. And here also it is Prayojaka Karta, it is Nikarta. In this case, Nikarta. In this case, it is not Anikarta. It is Nikarta with regard to Yajnadatta. Therefore, because it is not Anikarta, therefore it will not take Dvitiya Vibhakti by that sutra. Understand?
Yes.
So once here it is Nikarta, it is going to be Nikarta all the way. Yajnadatta alone is Anikarta. That Anikarta taking Dvitiya here. Okay. Shall we stop here? Kanu, Vikarma, Ilaro?
Yes.
Charanji.
Okay, so we will stop here. Vartikani, from here we will read the next class. Okay. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. You also do, right, Parvati ji?
I will do, but I finished morning only.
Oh, early morning. Okay. Okay. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawadaha.
Dhanyawadaha, Shanti.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha, Charanji.
Dhanyavadaha.